Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Dr. Swarna Balaji Online Ayurvedic Classes. Today we are going to deal with Rasa Shastra. Okay, in this you all might have known about the Kasisa. First of all, what you will remember while hearing the word Kasisa? It is one among the Uparasa. So, in this class, I am going to deal with the complete details regarding the Kasisa. Regarding UG as well as in PG point of view, what you have to know regarding this Kasisa, which is considered as one among the Uparasa. So, without getting late, let's move into our session. What are the headings to be remembered? While coming to Kasisa, you have to know the synonyms, the mineralogical identification, the types, and Shodhana, Grahya Lakshana, Marana, and Sattva Patana indications, dosage, and finally you have to know the formulation. Okay, these are the basic headings which you have to remember regarding the Kasisa. Mostly these are the headings which will be similar while coming to other Uparasa also. We'll learn all together in a separate session. In this, I am going to clarify you regarding the Kasisa UG as well as in PG aspect of view. Okay, firstly, Kasisa is an Uparasa. This is the thing which you have to remind in your mind whenever you hear the term Kasisa, because there might be a simple MCQ question. Okay, you will learn the mineralogical identification, the synonyms, occurrence, Shodhana, Marana, Sattvapatana. Like this, you will going to learn many things. But you must not forget the basic entity. Okay, as it is a Uparasa, you have to remember that thing, because you are going to learn so many Maharasa, Uparasa, Sadharana Rasa and all. No, there will be a chance to get confused among all these terms. So this is the thing which you have to keep in mind. This is an image which show the Kasisa. It is a Ra Kasisa. Okay, while hearing the term, you have to remind this diagram in your mind. So first, coming to synonyms. What are the synonyms given for the Kasisa? They were Kasisaka, Pushpa Kasisa, Pamshuka, Khaga and Pamshukasisa. It will be easy for you if you remember two terms like Kasisa and Kasisaka, Pushpa Kasisa and Pamshukasisa, Pamshukasisaka. Okay, next, finally Khaga. These were the synonyms given for the Kasisa. Next, coming to mineralogical identification. What is the English name of Kasisa? It is green vitriol. And what is the chemical name? It is ferrous sulfate. You have to remember the chemical formula also for the PG entrance examination point of view, because there were many chemical formulas given for each and every Uparasa and all. No, so you have to remember the chemical formula of each and everything. I'll make you to learn all those things in our further sessions. In this, you have to remember FeSO4 and 7H2O is the chemical formula for Kasisa. So next, coming to the occurrence, the Kasisa will be found in Simhabhumi district of Bihar, where Makshika ores were also found. In the Makshika also, the occurrence will be the same, Simhabhumi district of Bihar. Okay, so here we have learned the occurrence of two Uparasas. Next, coming to Shodhana. What is the Shodhana given for Kasisa? Here, you have to use Bringambunam Cleanam Kasisam Nirmalam Bhavet according to Rasaratna Samuchaya. Here we are using Bringambuna. The kasisa which is done, filtered, which is done cleaned with bringambu will be considered as nirmala. Bringambana cleannam kasisam nirmalam bhavet. Okay. Next, coming to marana. Kasisa along with kanji done 7 times bhavana give rise to a form which has to be made into chakrikas, and finally those chakrikas will be made to laghuputa, which finally lead to basma. Then nimbu rasa bhavana must be done to that chakrikas, which was given 4 to 7 laghuputa. Here in this marana, what you have to remember is kasisa is done bhavana with kanji and chakrikas were made, and 4 to 7 laghuputas will be given for those chakrikas. Next time the material which is acquired is the purified, that is marana done kasisa. Okay. Next, coming to Sattvapatana. Bhavana is done in Ksharadravya and then Mardana is done in Nimbusvarasa. And then prepare a Chakrika which is heated in a Musha. Results in iron. Okay, here in the chemical formula itself we are learning as Fe. FeSO4 is the chemical formula given for this kasisa. No. So, the attained Sattvapatana Dravya is iron, which you have to remember in entrance point of view also. Next, coming to dosage. What is the dosage? Half to 2 ratti is the dosage given for this kasisa. And formulations were kasisadi taila, kasisadi anjana, and the most important one is Rajah Pravartini Vati. In the examination entrance point of view, you may be given a bit. In the Rajah Pravartini Vati, you will see one among the Uparasa. At that time, you have to choose this kasisa. Okay, this completes the kasisa along with its indications and dosage. So, with this session, what we have learnt, kasisa, its synonyms, its mineralogical identification, occurrence, shodhana, marana, sattvapatana, properties of kasisa were grahi, katuvipaka and chakshushya. These are the things which you have to remember regarding the properties. Next, indications. It is indicated in krimi, kandu and rajopravartaka. Okay, as we all said in the formulations, Rajah Pravartini Vati is the one thing, no? So, it will come in indication also, Rajopravartaka. And the dosage is half to 2 ratti. This completes our learning regarding the kasisa, both UG as well as in PG point of view. So, in coming sessions, we will learn more and more topics in an easy way with both UG as well as PG point of view. So, for that, what you have to do, like our video for giving you more and more clear updates regarding the entrance as well as in UG point of view also. If you want to hear any specific topic, you can comment down in the comment box so that I'll upload the video on the topic which you need. So what you have to do is like our video, subscribe to our channel, share our lecture with your friends and juniors so that in future you may get more and more updates which will be useful for you as well as your friends. So we are binding up this session. Thank you. Stay tuned for more updates.
So finally, here are the things which you have learned by this video. What are the things? What is kasisa? What are the synonyms? Its mineralogical identification, shodhana, marana, sattvapatana. What are the properties for this kasisa? Dosage, formulation, indications, and finally the chemical formula.